At Belden, we strategically design and engineer our industrial fiber optic cable to hazard match the environments that our cables play in. Those environments are mass transit, oil and gas, marine, factory floor, discrete manufacturing specifically. And we design our cables all to be indoor-outdoor rated. So that means they have a lot of different environments they can go in, indoor, outdoor, and they're able to withstand outdoor temperatures and indoor vibrations and dust and anything you can see in an indoor environment. We also have fiber optic cable that supports OM1 technology, OM3, OM4, as well as single mode. Our cables are specifically designed with cable jackets that meet certain regulatory requirements and certifications, such as MSHA, ABS, American Bureau of Shipping, as well as low smoke, zero HAL in different mass transit environments, and as well as FT4 150, which is a mass transit regulation for cables in tunnels and subways. Our fiber optic cable is also constructed using very high quality glass, typically from Corning, a very trusted supplier.